Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to add your Southwest flight boarding pass to your Apple Wallet in 2026. Now, first of all, before you can add anything to Apple Wallet, you will need to complete your flight check-in. You can do this either through the Southwest airline application, or you can do it by using the email. So once you have checked in successfully, Southwest is going to generate a mobile boarding pass for you, which is required for adding it to your Apple Wallet. So after check-in, you need to simply open your Southwest Airlines application and navigate to the trips details. So inside the trip details, you are going to see the option of upcoming flights. When you tap on it, you are going to see your boarding pass on the screen. So if you have checked it through your email, simply open the email and tap on the boarding pass link to view it in your web browser. Now, once the boarding pass is available in front of you, you just have to look for this particular option that says add to Apple Wallet. When you are able to find the option, you just have to simply tap on it, then follow further on-screen instructions in order to add the boarding pass to your Apple Wallet in no time. Immediately after this, your boarding pass will be stored inside the Apple Wallet and you will be able to use it during the flight onboarding. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.